What is up?
Do it, build it, make it. If you think that we created, do it, build it, make it. With Kim and Garrett, make it.
What is up? Welcome back. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it? And make money?
So do we. Did do it, really?
Yeah, I caught it. Each week we show you how to make... Sorry. Car caught me off guard.
Now this AI generated image is, oh God, I did it again. Here, let me talk to you like this.
Yeah.
I don't understand why I gotta talk with my head back.
We'll just do the whole thing.
Okay, we'll do the whole thing.
A little editing. Ready?
All right. Oh, well, let clean off your shirt then. Of course, you're gonna put on your safety glasses.
Of course I'm putting on my safety glasses. I was squinting. They're like safety glasses.
Oh my gosh. Those are all the cuts. So the pass-through system is already installed in the back. Let me see if I can slide this a little bit further. Get this cable out of the way. Some of us have already done this before. Some of us have
It's my
not.
first time.
He's gonna wait till we get on camera to give it a go.
That's right.
To show you how easy it is.
It's that easy. You don't even have to pay attention when she's showing you how to do it the first time. She was trying to show me the first time. I was like, yeah, rails. I got it. I got it.
I got it.
Step 3. Ooh, it was a double toss.
Went all the way to the ceiling.
Ah, you thought I was going to balance the cutting board, but I'm going to balance the tree.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
That's heavy. Don't underestimate how heavy it is. And I'm,
Ooh, that's a go. That's
okay. Let me get a new glue.
That it needs a new home. That's 5 times today I've tripped over that. Kim! Look, it's not working. 90 minutes, one piece falls out. There's 6 passes. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Stop volunteering for stuff. Stop volunteering. I screwed my holes. I got them deep. They're in there good. All right, there you go.
All right, that's perfect.
One down. Whoa. I'll do this. I don't know why you're holding it like it's a baby. You gotta hold it like you're wrestling a bear.
This is how the day starts. I mean, all we did was turn it on in the back. What happened? Why was it on? Look. What am I gonna do?
What is up? Welcome back, Make It Mafia. Today we're here at the X-Tool Metal Fab launch. We're here with Mike Smirka.
Do it again.
Walk into a bar.
Yeah, that'll be funny. That'll be funny.
Kim made a new sign with a print cut. What do you think it is? What do you think's on the other side of this sign?
Turn it over. See, that's gonna go behind me. No,
Right,
you've ruined it. You've ruined it.
Looks a lot better on the wall. Looks a little less phallic.
I think I want it behind me when I'm sitting at my desk for video calls, okay? When I said behind me, they lost it.
You lost it.
Lose it. See, that's how it's supposed to look. Pata. Look, you guys can't be hanging out at the water cooler all day. We've got stuff to get done.
Go on, you got time to lean, you got time to clean.
I don't know how to do it. This is what you guys don't understand. We're standing here talking about projects, and he has found the skateboard and a lazy Susan.
Go to find a better place to skate, Susan. Tanner forgot to turn off the water to the evaporative cooler, and now we got a flood. We got a little flood, Tanner.
Alright, I don't know who told Garrett that he could use this machine, because both he and Tanner have now flooded the entire warehouse because they leave the hose on and walk away. I mean, it must take, what, 3 minutes to load it? I don't understand why we walk away.
I got bored and I went to go check on the UV print.
So now what do you have to do?
Alright.
Look, you guys. Look it's everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, don't get that wet again. Ugh. Well, I guess if nothing else, the floor is really clean now.
Good mopping.
I mean, seriously, can you guys see? It's way in the back, all the way this way. He's just now spreading it so it will eventually dry.
I just got this place dry from my flood yesterday. And look how far back the puddle goes now. It goes from the door all the way over here. I mean, I just got it dry.
Oh, there we go. I thought back. Yeah.
Pick a mirror, any mirror.
Pick a zombie.
Pick a zombie.
Pick a zombie, any zombie, any zombie.
Alright, this is my zombie. Alright, I'll put him back in the deck. Shuffle it up.
Find your zombie.
Yeah.
This one with the giant fingerprint on it? Yeah, that's your zombie.
Oh! Yeah, that's my zombie.
Shot.
Did you hit it?
I got it.
Are you new to this YouTube thing? The whole thing is new to you. You don't know
I wasn't practicing
you
that
never
part in my head.
wing it. You never wing it. That's not your style. Hey, it really swung wide for the fences, man. That is way out there. Are we close? Are we too tight?
I was gonna use this for
I couldn't help it. I'm sorry.
I was gonna use this for bloopers and outtakes. The sailor trucker in you just came right out.
I couldn't help it.
Like,
You took the whole thing right out.
you got your CDL and your sea legs today. No, gotta go.
Uh-oh. Glue. Go. Can I help you? How much glue? Oh my God, you just glued your eyes shut.
Yeah.
Do you need my help?
I don't know. Wash my hands.
Alright, I'm going to keep gluing. He just glued his eyelid shut. So let's see what he can do. He'll be back and freaked out here in a minute if he doesn't get it himself. He'll be alright, you guys. I can see he's a little stressed because he didn't do his design himself. Okay, well I hear him laughing. That's probably a nervous laugh. Oh, and I just heard a curse word.
My eyelashes are glued together.
Oh my gosh, what do you want me to do? Oh, you almost got it. You know, I see it's almost open.
Ah.
I told him you figure it out. I said he's laughing, but that sounds like nervous laughter.
Yeah. I will open. Ow.
That's the first time in all of these years have we actually had an issue with eyes, right?
Yeah. Holy sh**. Pardon my language.
A little scary.
Oh, no, it hurts.
It hurts. Oh, 'cause
Trying to kill it all.
you're gonna lose my lashes.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Oh my gosh, it's all underneath your eye.
I know!
Okay. Okay.
You guys want to see my eye?
Get up close. Don't higher. Look under his eye. There's dried glue there. My goodness, how much glue did you have on your finger?
I don't know. Yeah.
And then I'll be afraid to use like
Touch my eye.
the glue stuff, like the debonder on there. Well, that's probably not good for your eyes.
Yeah, I didn't want to put the debonder on that. I almost got it. Well, I only got a couple of eyelashes left.
Right? Just take them off. We don't even need those. Oh, you can go to the lash appointment with me.
Oh my god. Oh, hold on, I can almost see. Damn it.
It's alright. I can't watch comments, so I have no idea what people are starting to say.
Oh, I got it!
Say it together, kids. Proper PPE when crafting.
I got my eye open.
Look at that. Go show them how big that is. And all the eyelashes on it.
And all the eyelashes.
Oh my gosh.
Can you see the glue? We'll cover Kim's face. I don't know, you can't see it. There it is. You see the eyelashes on there?
Oh my gosh.
It's okay, I got more where that came from.
Yeah, you and your luxurious lashes. You'll be alright. You have lashes to spare.
Woo. I mean, that got stuck shut real quick. Like, I just did that. And then when I went to open my eye, it didn't open. Like, this Star Bomb sticks to, like, skin quick.
Peace.